Well, you know what, Blizzard? You know what, Blizzard? This isn't the first time you've made me rename a character. But all of these other times, I've done it for no reason, and I've just named it something stupid. But this time around, I've decided to do the right thing. And I've renamed him to Free Hong Kong. Blizzard, if you want to play this game, I'll play all fucking day. You want to start this shit with me?
So this guy on Twitter, he sent me a @ real quick. He said, Lil Tyler 1 is a fucking idiot for not understanding what the Phoenix music video fully entails. Yeah, you may be adept at computer knowledge, but you lack zero musical understanding here. I fully understand the song after listening only twice. I guess you'll never conquer your demons. So I thought, well, Alex, that was a pretty fucking alpha message. I wonder what demons you've conquered. I clicked his profile. Let's just say, yeah. Hey, yeah. Alex, bud, yeah. You're a goddamn loser.
Die! Gets another knockout. Finally, one kill picked up. TB's now coming in as well. Barely alive and walking away is Bear on the jump in. Can't find it.
He goes double lift.
There's one kill. There's two. Look at the team fight victory. Team Liquid immediately grab 4.
They're going to look to end the game perhaps here. They have him anyway. They want to finish him.
I've seen Double Lift fight mages in mid before. This time he pulls it off with the quadra kill. And down mid lane they will go.
I think they've done it. Look at.
I actually really liked seeing TL win there, and honest, I don't know what kind of like mental gymnastics people are gonna try to do to gauge my reactions relative to what's happening in the game and say otherwise. That was honestly really nice.
As they try and run up the river, the turn here is where you start to get a little bit antsy if you're SK Telecom. That probably projectile landing on Khan creates a distance, and they almost take down Teddy and try and turn towards Khan, but Faker is able to make it around the extra turn there at the top of the river. And you keep mentioning Frost. That Infinity Edge now going to be done for Faker.
He is massive.
He's so big. That's 3 items now done. Also has the extra shielding from the lifeline.
Oh, nice. Wait, if I do this, and then I do this, what does that look like on the stream?
Emil Leinert donated $5.
What?
I have a problem. All of my friends go.
그래서 저희가 더 발전할 수 있었던 것 같아요.
So after losing to G2, we actually tried a lot of different strategies and learned from their style. So we were able.
Hey, producers, it's Trevor One.
Oh, looking for.
I wonder if they're waiting for the they're watching. Oh, aye. If you're watching downstairs, shout. Give us a shout. Did you hear that? Are you watching us? Aye. Oh no! So you hear me talk about the BO and everything? Aye, you're stinking. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I don't know what to say now. I don't know. I'm pure hiding in my wee room. How's it going? How's it going down there? How's the tiling going?
I'm not talking to a tree, I promise.
I thought you were, and then I seen the phone.
Okay, thank you. I saw you shaking your head. No, I'm not talking to a tree. Thank you, though. Well, I mean, that's true. Better a tree than nobody. Good point. Thank you. Thank you for making me feel better. Okay. Oh, God.
Oh, no.
that R button. Yes, we found Effort taking a lot of damage. He's got the aftershock. That's going to wear off. He's just dead, and Teddy didn't want to use his ult on him as Khan dives on forward. We still have the Divine Judgment, but it looks like they don't even use it. Finally, it comes down, and that's 2 kills for SKT. The jump forward, the resets from Faker, as now Clit has found Nemesis, the 1v1. It's a dangerous one for the Lee Sin, but he still wants it. Outplays him, Faker, trying to chase, but he's not even going to get there. Distracted by a red buff, and Nemesis gets...
Well, you have to imagine, right? Like, even a player like Ortiz, who's literally top tier, like he's tier 1 player, there's no fucking doubt in my mind or anyone's, he still gets called shit everywhere. 100 times per second in his chat, through donations, through Reddit, through Twitter. And then you wonder why he doesn't stream? It's like, is it really a surprise?
The problem is Bronze have been so good, automatic. Straight through the smoke, and I'm not sure what Rush was trying to attempt there. That was a Hail Mary play if ever I've seen one. This is just silly. Like, this is actually just...
Look at that. Wait. Is that what I think it is? Look at that. Wait. Is that what I think it is?
Oh shit. A lot of damage, but in the meantime, in the mid lane, Damonte completely out of mana. Xiaohu trying to chase him down. He should be able to. The next slow will be available relatively soon. Both of them holding flashes as Damonte's moving towards Lyra. The flash comes in. Xiaohu gets the ball. Now Lyra's in there. The fear is going to proc. It's one more. No, it's not enough. First blood baited so beautifully from Damonte.
Guess what time it is?
It's Tanner.
Nice performance! Oh! They're pissed!
Baby.
I wanna get picture and take your picture. My homeboy tried to warn me, but that's what you got, mate. Fellas, yeah, fellas, yeah. Your girlfriend got the butt. Hell yeah. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that healthy butt.
Thank you.
Shameless.
I just found out that Slicker is a fan of me, and that kind of makes me feel good. You know, I was talking to Joe. He's like, he thought it was weird that people, you know, have been watching my stuff, or like they tell him that they watch me. And I'm like, well, think about it like this. Would you rather someone not be a fan of you and not like what you do, but know who you are and just be like, ew? Or would you rather be able to like, oh, thank you for watching. I mean, I'm not gonna fuck you, but thank you. I appreciate that. That makes me feel good. Like, I rather someone be attracted to me and me being like, I'm sorry.
Listen, people are definitely entitled to their feelings and whatnot. You know, obviously when I seen what happened, I was at first like, you know, hurt and you know, just taken back by it, and I may have reacted you know, as such, right? You know, Tony's a little younger and might have just let some things get to the best of him, right? And you know, even though I feel like, you know, what else are people saying behind my back, and it makes me start to think like, how many other people are doing it, and but you don't want to get lost in that fucking tunnel, bro, because you'll never get back, right? So let's patch up whatever we can and then just go from there, you know what I mean?